This story is about me and Casey.
But by the end of it, it's a story about you.
2 years ago, I was sitting at my laptop with no job or clue, watching Casey Neistat videos on YouTube, thinking to myself, damn, this guy is successful.
And I wished to be him. And to be him, I wanted his glasses, I wanted his office, I wanted his blogs, I wanted his style.
Do what you can't, because that idea encapsulates everything I've ever done. Got it. Woo! Try hard.
I wanted his life, because the only way to get success was to copy him. And I'm not the only one who thinks like this. My friends feel like they have to be doctors because their parents are doctors. Other friends feel like they have to be lawyers because their friends are lawyers. We look at successful people and we say, it worked for you, it'll work for me. Despite who we are, we want to be someone else. See, as much as I wanted his success, we are different. I'm Nosire Yassin.
And I'm Casey Neistat.
I make videos on Facebook.
And I make videos on YouTube.
I make 1-minute videos in length.
My videos are like 10 minutes long.
I'm based nowhere.
I'm based right here in New York City.
I have a girlfriend and a fox.
And I have a wife and 2 kids.
I don't run.
I run every single day.
And even my hair is dark, and his hair...
Well, actually, no, this isn't real.
I could never be Casey.
And I could never be Nas. It's infuriating. This shot isn't even level. You guys do your thing.
Wait, what do you mean level?
It's not level. Look at the background. It's not level. It's skewed. Look at this line. It's yellow, not clean.
It's like very tiny. It's a tiny thing. Now it's level. This story is not about us. It's about you. Forget Casey. Forget me. Forget the videos. If it wasn't obvious by now, the road to success is not one road. It's an infinite number of roads. There are a million ways to be successful in your own way. You don't need to copy your parents or your friends or your role models. You don't need to be a Casey. You don't need to be a Nas. You don't need to be a banker or a doctor or anything else. That's not who you really are. You don't need to be like anyone else. All you need is authenticity,
a little hard work,
and consistency. But most importantly,
you just have to be yourself.